Well, looks like you have made up your mind. Your dream university is calling and you are all set to attend lectures by some of the greatest minds across the globe. But let's be real, dreams need funding. And before diving headfirst into that student loan application, it's totally fair to have some clarity. In this video, we will explain you step-by-step loan process of Prodigy Finance so you know exactly what to expect and how to get started, especially if you are going for a no cosigner route. Prodigy Finance has been backing Indian students for over 17 years, supporting higher education dreams in over 19 countries. They work with a wide list of universities and offer loan without requiring a cosigner, a major relief for many students. Step 1. Create your account. Visit the Prodigy Finance website, sign up and generate your login credentials. Step 2. Enter your basic details, fill in key information like your target university, course and country. Based on that, you will get a provisional loan letter which includes an estimated loan amount based on your chosen university and course. Well, you don't need your admission at this stage. Just acknowledge the quote by replying via email. Step 3. Fill in the academic details and financial info. Next, upload your GRE scores, university ranking and repayment period. These details help Prodigy calculate your interest rate and loan terms based on your earning potential after graduation. Once you submit everything, Prodigy runs a document verification which usually takes 2 to 3 business days. They will compare your estimated expenses versus the loan offer. If there is a shortfall, which rarely happens, they will ask you for the proof of other income sources just to ensure you can manage other expenses. Once everything checks out, they will send you a formal loan approval email. If you are happy with the term, give them a thumbs up, aka a reply via email with confirmation. You need to pay USD 500 to get a sanction letter. For disbursement, there are 2 options available. First, need the funds before you leave for college. Prodigy Finance can disburse the first year tuition fees about 2 weeks before the class begins. Already in your study country, you will log into your Prodigy portal from the local network, sign in the agreement and they will directly disburse the amount to your university's account. Whatever disbursement option you go for, the timing depends on your university's fee submission deadline, so plan accordingly. Thinking, can I mess this up? Well, yes, unless you have got the right people on your side. That's where GyanDhan comes in. We have helped thousands of students get their education loans sorted, including with Prodigy Finance. We don't sugarcoat things. We help you find what actually fits your profile. Just click on the check your loan eligibility link and we will take it from there. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insider infos on studying abroad and getting the right funding. Till then, good luck, happy planning and bye-bye.